Hey guys, this is Davis. So it's been a while since I did a comparison video, and I also don't do them much anymore. But I'm gonna do 4 of them today. So keep on the lookout for more of them in the next couple hours. So yeah, and of course we're gonna start with our first comparison video of the day. 10 different copies of I Love Toy Trains 1 that I have on VHS. I have a lot of them, so it's going to take a while. So yeah, let's get started. First we have right here is the original 1993 VHS of I Love Toy Trains 1. So yeah. Side. Back. Yeah. And this is not the original prototype tape that Tom McComas showed Jeff. This is the tape they sold to people. Because I know Will has a prototype version of that tape. So yeah. And I got this tape January or February of this year. Next we have is the 1994 VHS, and it's also signed by my good friend Will. Thanks very much for signing it for me. Side, other side, top, back. Yep. It's the same thing, but in a cardboard sleeve. Oh, and it is 1994 because it has says I Love Toy Trains 1, but the program is the same as the 93 version. Oh, and I also got this in December of last year. Next, I have 2 copies of the 1997 version of I Love Toy Trains 1. So yeah, here's the first one. Yeah. This is the 1997 version with oversized rails, unlike the one with normal rails. Yeah. And this is the same thing, but this one has normal rails instead of oversized rails. But other than that, they play on the 1997 master. Next is the later 1997 version of the tape. Side, other side, top, back. Same case. This one actually has a different label, an end label, but it plays the 1997 master, of course, because it's a later 97 version. Next I have is the 1998 or 1999 version of the tape. Side, other side, top, back. This one has the 1994 sticker label tape. And it also has an updated master on it, playing the 1998 master. Next is the construction playthings of I Love Toy Trains 1. So yeah, side, top, back. And it says, for a free construction playthings catalog, call 1-800-832-0572. This was actually sent to daycare. So yeah, this tape is pretty hard to get nowadays. I actually got this tape from Amazon this year. Oh, and I forgot to mention those tapes, but whatever. Next is the 2000 prototype VHS, part 1. I keep saying that. So yeah. This one has the 1998 TM Books and Videos logo, and it also plays the 1998 Tape Master. And I got this from, I actually got that for my 13th birthday, which was about 3 years ago. Well, 4 actually, because my 17th birthday is next month. Next I have is the 2002 reprint of Part 1. And this plays the 2000 Real Master. So yeah, it has a different label, end label, says that, and it has prints on the lid, but there's no side prints. And I got this for Christmas of last year. And finally is the 2005 reprint. Yep. Side, other side, top, back. And on the copyright information it says 2004, even though it's from 2005/2006. Oh, this one has an ink label, and it also has a very, very early 2004 reprint. February 17th, 2004. And I got this from eBay. I actually got this from eBay 3 years ago. I think 22. So yeah, that's every single version of I Love Toy Trains 1 that I have on VHS. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.